Introduction and unboxing. NSK's Surgic Pro2 is a surgical micromotor with a wireless foot control for dental oral surgery and dental implantology, and comes in two models: optic with an LED light and non-optic that does not have light. In this video, we'll explain the contents of the original packaging of the optic set and operation of the touch panel with a review of their functions. Let's begin. Here's what you'll find inside the box: AC power cord, foot control and its hanger, a pack of 3 AAA alkaline batteries for foot control unit, coolant solution hanger post, implant handpiece, micromotor with cord, Y connector, tube holders, handpiece stand, internal spray nozzle, nozzle holder, cleaning wire, calibration burr, E-type spray nozzle, protection plug, O-rings. If you have any further questions, please visit our support site, nsktech-us.com.